From Solid Foundation Academy. Ever pondered the secret to crafting irresistible cupcakes right in the comfort of your own kitchen? It's not as complex as it might seem. In fact, with a pinch of patience, a dash of creativity, and the right ingredients, anyone can master the art of baking these delightful treats. First things first, picking the best ingredients is crucial. High-quality, fresh ingredients like unsalted butter, pure vanilla extract, and free-range eggs can make a world of difference in your cupcakes. Remember, baking is a science, so precise measurements are vital. Level off your measuring cups and spoons to ensure accuracy. Now, onto the mixing. Start by creaming together your butter and sugar until it's light and fluffy. This doesn't just combine them, it also helps to aerate the batter, resulting in a lighter cupcake. Next, beat in your eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. This will prevent your batter from curdling. Don't forget to scrape down the sides of the bowl as you go along. Once you've got that down, it's time to alternate between adding your dry and wet ingredients, starting and ending with the dry. This method helps to keep the batter smooth and well mixed. Once everything is combined, be careful not to overmix. Too much stirring can lead to dense cupcakes. Baking time and temperature are the unsung heroes of the cupcake world. A moderately hot oven, around 350 degrees Fahrenheit, is typically perfect for cupcakes. Bake them in the middle of the oven for even heat distribution and keep a close eye on them. When they're done, they should spring back when lightly touched. Now, for the fun part, decorating. Whether you prefer a simple swirl of frosting or want to experiment with more elaborate designs, the sky's the limit. Use a piping bag and different nozzles to create a variety of effects, or get creative with edible decorations like sprinkles, fondant shapes, or even fresh fruit. In a nutshell, baking incredible cupcakes at home involves selecting top-notch ingredients, adhering to precise measurements, mixing your ingredients in the right order, and baking at the correct temperature and time. But remember, the true secret ingredient is always a sprinkle of love and a dash of fun. So, roll up those sleeves and start crafting your own mouth-watering masterpieces. Happy baking! Please like and subscribe for more knowledge-sharing videos. Thank you.